Okay, I know some people have found this one kind of tricky, compare percents to each other and to fractions. So I'm going to show you how I would go about it because I think this is the easiest way to do it. So 52% compared to 52% is pretty straightforward. Those two are the exact same, so they're equal. 41% compared to 40%. 41% is, of course, greater than 40%. I'm just going to go through these quickly. Okay, so 62.63% compared to 62.7%. So we have to think about how on a number line, whoa, that's like way wavy. Okay, we'll work with it. So imagine I have 62 here, and I have 63 here on my number line, and of course it extends in each way. Now this number line can be broken down even further into tenths. So 5, 1, 2, 3, 4. And this does not look perfect. 2, 3, 4. So 62.63 is going to fall, so because my 6 is in the tenths place, so it's going to be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. It's going to be a little bit after here. That's 62.63. 62.7, my 7 is the tenths place, so that is actually going to be right here. So that is greater. I know this drawing is hideous, but it works. Again, here I could use a number line. 61.7 compared to 61.76. In this case, I think it's helpful to think of it like money. So if there's nothing behind the 7, then I would imagine a 0 is there. So would it be better to have $61.70 or would it be better to have $61.76? It's only a little bit, but it's still more. So I would choose the 161.76. There we go. Okay, so here is when we have to start comparing fractions and percents. So what I would do here, and it's totally fine if you use your calculator, is I would take my fractions and I would turn it into a percent. So this one's kind of easy to make out of 100 because remember percents need to always be out of 100. But just for practice, I'm going to show you what it looks like on the calculator. So you can use your calculator, you can use the one on the computer, whatever is better for you. Remember, I can divide my numerator divided by my denominator. So 4 divided by 5 gives me 0.8. Now 8 is in the tenths place, and my percents are always out of 100. So I'm going to add my invisible 0 here. Now this is 80 out of 100 because it's in the hundredths place, which equals, this is so hard to write on, 80%. This is embarrassing how ugly this is. Okay, 80% compared to 80% is the exact same. Okay, here's one where it's going to be maybe more helpful. I'm just going to erase everything on here. I don't actually know how. My cousin's watching TV in the background. I don't know what she's watching. Some commercial. Okay, I don't know how to do this, so I'm just going to start it again. Okay, so 92% compared to 23 over 25. Use your calculator. 23 divided by 25 gives you 0.92. So I have 0.92. I am 2 spots after the decimal place, which means I am out of 100. So this is 92 out of 100. So this is 92%. Okay, you know what I mean? So that is, oh my gosh, once again, it is equal. Let's get a tough one here. Okay, 9 out of 64. That is not like your average fraction, so let's use our calculator for that. 9 divided by 64, 0.1406. So I'm just going to write 0, okay, hello pen. 0. I forgot what it was. 1406. Remember our Dr. Pepper method here. If I am going from decimal to percent, which I am, this is a decimal, I want it to be a percent, I'm going to move my decimal point 2 spots to the right. So this is actually 14.06%, which is greater than 11%. Well, 11% is less than 14%. Great. I hope that's helpful. You're just going to continue that same exact strategy. Divide your numerator by your denominator to create a decimal, and then from a decimal, get your percentage, and then you can easily compare them. Good luck.